Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about the image that's used in the front page one section of Altitude Pro. The image is shown as a background, and the problem with this background image is that when we view the site at smaller screen widths, it's going to cut off. The left and right sides of the image are not going to appear, and only the center portion of the image is going to appear. So if I bring up the dev tools, and if when I reduce the width of the screen, so notice how the sides over here, left and right, get cut off. So you're not really seeing the entire picture. So it's fine if you use an image like this, which is a generic one, sort of like nature. But if you have some photo of a team and you don't want the faces of the people to cut off at smaller widths. So one way that this problem can be solved is by replacing this background image with an inline image, which is inserted or embedded in the HTML, so that as you reduce the width, it's going to behave responsively, and we will not have the problem of the image getting cut off at the left and right. So let me show you how it looks here. Okay, so this is the same site, but with the changes applied. So as we reduce the width, you can see that the entire image is going to appear, and it is going to responsively, upscale or downscale. And there will be a certain point, certain width, where the widget content is going to overflow and appear above and below the image, because it just doesn't have enough room. So what I've done is, in this case, I've set at 530 pixels width for this text to appear below the image like this.